lingerie. Now get up on inside duvet. Hell, I'm a very microwave. Well, I'm here. Can't my put in the duvet with lingerie. Everywhere is now microwave. I'm very local. Jeremy, you put me the way you so well, man. Maybe we're here now. We can drink. Maybe you put me delayed.
Hello? Yeah, I'm fine. Thank you. Really? You want to book flight for me to come to Cape Town and celebrate my birthday?
Jesus. Who's saying that rubbish? Now cut all that call. What's the meaning of that? No, say cut all that call. Eh? Come, this boys always married women with their fantasy now. Amani Loladi. How can a man be telling a married woman to come to Cape Town for birthday? It is in Cape Town and attack that side. I don't understand. Why you come Jack and know you? They will not allow you rest. You know what? This birthday is going to be the best birthday you have ever had. You have to Cape Town, here, so that you don't have any reason to leave me. You leave Ukwana Morgan at Chigi. You understand? So what I want you to do now, get dressed. Let me go and show you where you will celebrate this birthday. Can get me inspection. You understand? Now I saw double cable. You understand? From there, we'll branch where we'll go and do small dinner. I'm batanya dinner. I'll buy you small ice cream so that you will give me ice cream. They don't want me till up on time. This is where you'll be celebrating your birthday. You understand? Call all your friends, family, everybody. Let them come and marry. Enjoy. Ejiro birthday again, my fundraising. You understand? And nobody's gonna use it as a tutu. No, double chain. No, you understand? This is Michael's Global Event Furniture. If you want to do your birthday, your anything celebration, this is the right place. All these things you're seeing here, they're all for sale. You understand? But the reason why we are here is for you to inspect this place. You understand? Let's go up. Let me show you around there.
This place is so beautiful.
Okay, the beautiful care. A space of 120 million naira. That's what it is. I secured it for you, eh? Tell that boy that says you should come out. Let him come out. You'll be the rice and chicken, always small boy.